Welcome to this exclusive video on how to make your first 50,000 Nairas online using only your phone, even if you're starting from zero. People are making money online every week using only their smartphones, with no need for a laptop, capital, or a large following. What is their secret? The biggest lie beginners believe is, I need to learn everything before I can start. This belief keeps people stuck for months or years, while others with less knowledge are already earning. It's about a paradigm shift. Focus on results, not expertise. The wrong goal is to become an expert. The right goal is to get your first result. Results bring confidence, proof, and momentum. The market does not reward learning. Most people focus on watching videos and taking notes. The market only rewards execution. You must transition from a consumer to a creator and executor. The simple formula for success is to find a problem, find a solution, connect both, and get paid. This is how almost every online business works. You don't need to create a product. Many beginners make their first money by leveraging existing value and helping people access what they already need. Stop waiting for the perfect idea and start connecting people to solutions. Your smartphone is everything. You can use tools like WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Selar, and AI content tools. The problem is not resources. The problem is direction. The power of focus means stopping the chase for 10 opportunities. Focus on one offer, one audience, and one method. Getting paid is simple, but it is not easy. Focus until you get results. The consistency requirement means a daily grind of outreach, conversations, offers, and follow-up. Your first 50,000 Nairas comes from doing simple things consistently, as success is a marathon of simple actions. The evidence is everywhere. The internet rewards people who solve problems, not those who just consume information. Will you finally follow a system long enough to see results? Your first 50,000 Nairas online is not hidden. It is on the other side of consistent action. We do not complain. We build. We are empowering the next generation of digital builders.